Residents of Portmore Village Drive say they're being forced to endure unbearable conditions as sewage water continues to disrupt daily life in the community. They are now calling for urgent intervention. More in this report from Rashida Walker.
A road meant to provide access has instead become a source of daily discomfort for residents of Portmore Village Drive as sewage water has taken over sections of the stretch. Residents say while the issue comes and goes, the disruption to daily life is constant.
I am sick. This man me have shot her, but thank God me could have pray. I'm bad for Jesus. Me not dead in my house. My daughter is sick. She's upstairs. Tamara, she's very sick. Over 2 weeks now she work at Papa. She have standing sick leave. It is affecting us. We can't use no bathroom. Everything around back in the house. I run my phone a pipe, go straight across the bush. She take out the water out of my house. If I never do that, I couldn't live in there. I have to run out. And I pay my mortgage. I pay my light. I pay my water. We don't live here free.
No vehicle can come in, and it's just the horrible stench as the moment the vehicle step in at the water, so it rise up the smell, and it already smells bad already. People have parked way up at the top of the road just to come down on this side.
One resident explains how the problem first surfaced.
This situation started to affect me in about mid-November or late November. What had happened was the toilet in my room, it became clogged and blocked. It wasn't able to flush any at all. I reported the matter to my landlady, and she spoke to the other persons in the community, and apparently this was a situation that happened before, but it has never been this bad.
Residents were later told the manhole at the front of her property collects sewage from several sections of the community, causing it to overflow when the system becomes overwhelmed. As sewage spilled onto the roadway and flowed further down, other residents were affected, leading to confusion about the source of the problem. She recounts how the situation worsened after the National Water Commission opened another manhole further down the road, causing sewage to spread even further. Residents believe the issue is rooted in long-standing infrastructure problems.
2 weeks ago, I go to the National Water Commission, and they say when they came, they said they're not responsible because the pump house is not working. It stopped work over 10 years now.
But the sewage isn't the only thing residents are left in the dark about.
And it's the pump house who pump the water to and fro. And if the pump house is not working, that means the whole community is doomed. So they need to come and rectify the pump house for the light to keep on. We don't even have street light. See there? We need the street light. Because you to understand, so when the pump house leak out, it knock out the street light.
For now, residents say they are left waiting on lasting solutions to problems that continue to disrupt daily life. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.